Is it time to buy or sell the SPY exchange-traded fund? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 16th of April, 2025, our system has ranked SPY as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.5. Now, let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has incurred a loss of -2.21%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.74% since it was identified as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is situated amid a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further decline within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 14.71% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -19.68% to -9.13%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a potential change of 10.70%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 7.33% and 34.14% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $551.74 and $689.56. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF price down 2.34% on Monday. The SPY ETF price fell by 2.34% on the last day, which was Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, dropping from $526.35 to $514.04. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.64%. with a day low at $508.46 and a day high of $521.86. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 1.73% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also declined on the last day along with the ETF, which is actually a favorable sign, as volume typically follows the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 7 million shares, with a total of 68 million shares bought and sold for approximately $34.9 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $613.23, and the lowest price was $481.80. Currently, the price is 16.18%, or $99.19, below the 52-week high of $613.23. which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Today, the S&P 500 is experiencing significant pressure with the index down by approximately 3% as President Trump intensifies his criticism of Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. This renewed scrutiny heightens concerns regarding the Fed's independence, a factor that historically leads to volatility in equity markets, particularly affecting large-cap stocks in the SPY ETF. Additionally, worries over the escalating trade tensions with China loom large. Analysts suggest that these trade conflicts could potentially decrease the S&P 500 by several percentage points, creating a bearish sentiment in the market. Today, even major tech firms like Tesla, Nvidia, and Amazon are feeling the impact of these pressures. While consumer spending showed strength in March, driven by pre-tariff purchases, analysts remain cautious. The anticipation of weak to mixed first-quarter earnings may delay any market recovery until potential Federal Reserve rate cuts are considered in the upcoming months. With the broader market reflecting these uncertainties, short-term performance for SPY may continue to face challenges. In contrast, expected growth for second-quarter earnings could provide a glimmer of hope, suggesting resilience in the U.S. economy. However, Until clarity emerges from both the Fed's policy direction and trade negotiations, market sentiment surrounding SPY may remain volatile in the interim. The following signals have been identified for SPY. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far it has risen 3.54%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The SPY exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $528.76 and $552.15. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk as volume should follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 38 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 19 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 30 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $505.28. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated by $13.40 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 2.64%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the fund has been 2.01%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $524.58. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $505.28. If this support level holds, it could represent a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is the SPY ETF a good buy? The SPY ETF shows several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, we anticipate that SPY will open higher by approximately 74 cents, starting at a price of $514.79. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments section. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.